Hello my love, welcome back to the channel. This tutorial is going to be dedicated to the number 7. You're going to see several ways, several clips of how to braid number 7, how to accessorize it using both clips and strings, and I'm just going to tell you how your 7 can possibly mess up and how to get it perfect. First of all, just visualize how you want your number 7 to be, where you want it to be placed. I would advise that you actually start with the number before you make the rest of the hair. So just carve out the number and make sure it is sitting majestically before you braid the rest of the hair. So I can tell you straight up, because I am being honest with you, the mistake I made in this number 7, in short, I made 2 mistakes. Number 1, I was so bent on having it lap just next to the stitch braid that the number 7, like the bottom part of the number 7, is straight. Now, if your number 7, the longest part of number 7, right? It has to be slightly slanted. If not, it is on the bricks, like it is on the line of looking, of just misyanning. Like any small mistake, it's not going to look like number 7 again. To just look like you made a box and changed your mind. So try to make sure the longest part is slightly slanted inwards, so that your number 7 can look like a correct number 7. I didn't get that in this one. So you can see how I've parted the top section. When it was time to make the line that goes from the left hand side, from the right hand side to the left hand side, I made the bottom of the bar first and then carved upwards and the top. Do you understand? So I made the under part of the number 7 before making the line on top of the number 7. I hope you get what I mean. So this is how I start braiding. This is another place you could have fucked up, that I messed up, that I loosed, and I redid it. You're going to see I will make this and redo, take it off and redo it, because I felt like I curved. Sorry about that. I felt like I curved too fast, right? So the number 7 is already looking curved like a D, you know. So I took my time, made this line to be straight, braided it all the way to the end, to the back corner, into that corner, before turning down. In my mind though, in my church mind, I was trying to make sure that corner is pointed, like it is angled and chiseled straight. It still braids, it wasn't straight. You can see that's the best. And then you can see, because my number 7 is straight, the leg is straight instead of being a little bit slanted. It's just looking like an amateur number 7. Mistake number 2. Not mistake. You see this part dangling down, right? I later added it to this braid I am about to make here, and it made the number 7 to not look like number 7 again. You will see in this clip is by November Love. When she got there, she took it back up and sewed it. She sewed it. She sewed it. She sold it. She sealed it. She tacked it on top of the leg of number 7. She tacked it up there, and it's now like a 7 standing alone. If you take the risk of attaching your numbers into your braid, if you're not careful, that place, that the line that connects your number to the braid, can just reformat everything and make your number not look like the number. So your number is going to look better when it is standing alone. So I like what she did there. And now look at this one. I got this one. Can you see? So you're going to see how I made this one. Guys, I already told you this is going to be a video dedicated to number 7, and if it means something to you, what can I say except you're welcome? And I hope yours comes out very beautiful. So I am slanting it. Slant it. This is what I was talking about there. Don't make your number 7 stand as if it doesn't have sense. Slant it so that it will have swag. Am I even slanting this enough? I just slanted it enough. This is the lower part I was talking about. This line, right? This line. Why I like making the bottom line first, why I made it first on that hair, is that if you make it on top, your number 7 might come out looking smaller than you imagined. Okay, so that's why I like to make the smaller one first, so that I know that no matter what, it is going to be above this place, and it will be. See, some of these things I am saying will not make sense, but when you are trying this braid, it will just be clicking like a light bulb coming on, like ding, ding, and you'll be like, oh, this is what she meant. Oh, this is what she meant. Oh my god, that girl is, she is intense. Like, she is detailed. I should go back and tell her on the video and just leave a comment or leave a thumbs up at least to make her channel do well, because she touched on everything. So guys, I didn't make that mistake this time around. Ooh, where is the tail going? Ooh, it is hidden somewhere down there. So I'm going to show you guys how to put the string. If you want detailed video, see, I made a video of showing like 6 different ways of how to accessorize your hair using these braiding strings. That video has done so well because just because it's fun. So you can see the way I attached the string, and then you crisscross on top, put in your latch from the left, pull the rope from the right, put in your left from the right, pull the rope from the left. You crisscross, put in your crochet hook from the left, grab the hair on the right, put in from the right, grab the hair on the left. You crisscross again, like that. You crisscross the rope, put your crochet hook from the left, where the line came out from the other side, you put it from the right, just like that, and you keep going. No, easy, crisscross. Sorry, don't mind my explanation. I already know that you're going to see this same activity happening again very soon in a slower, more clearer pace. So you're going to see it again. But this is not hard. You just have to, it's easy. Cross over, grab the hair, insert from where it came out, grab the opposite side, pull the hair, crisscross, grab from your right, grab from your left, crisscross, grab from your right, grab from your left, crisscross, grab from your left. See my number 7 as Missy, and just because I added it into that braid, and it's not looking like what I don't know, but I know your own is going to turn out perfect. Yeah, slanted. See my number. My number 7 has spot belly. My number 7 has spot belly. It's not even slanted. It even had the audacity to curve out. You didn't slant and then you now curved out with a pot belly. Oh God. But this is a pretty number 7. This is November Love. She inspired the idea of braiding alphabets and numbers and braided designs. She was the first person, like, when I saw it on her channel, I was like, Jesus Christ, this girl is good. But she didn't used to make tutorials of how to make the hairstyle, so I would try it on my mannequin, and then when I got it, I would then make a video, like a tutorial about it. So I have the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 on this channel. I even have a video where I compiled all of them together. I have all the alphabets, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, up to Z. All of them. Can you, guys, you need to clap for me. So these are some of the alphabets. That's it. That's why. I will link the video at the end of this one so you can check it out. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.